Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can write down like a wish, like a blessing on a sea lantern in Heartopia. So this is what you are supposed to do basically. Go to the store again and you are going to purchase this recipe, which is the Lotus Sea Lantern one. Then to craft it, you'll need 15 timbers, 15 quality timbers, and 1 flawless fluorite. And then you're just going to craft it in your house and you're just going to go back to the Amethyst Beach. Then select the button on the right for the Blessing Sea Lantern and you're going to select the lantern there and you can type in whatever you want. Then you're just going to press release into the sea. You can also press this button so it slightly extends like its stay in the sea. You can also do it to other people's like blessings. Um but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!